When Kafka turned Gregor into a cockroach, was it an accident of imagination or a deliberate attempt to say something far more precise? It doesn't read like chance. It reads like intention. Because what he created was not merely strange, but uncomfortably recognizable. Cockroaches have existed for millions of years, almost unchanged. Empires collapsed, civilizations burned, humans evolved. The cockroach didn't. And that is exactly why Kafka chose it.
Look at me. Half man, half insect, still thinking, still aware, still trapped. That's the part people miss. Kafka didn't remove my humanity. He left it intact. So the real question is not why a cockroach. The real question is, why does this feel familiar? Because modern life has a way of creating this condition. One wakes up, goes to work, follows systems not fully understood, answers to structures that rarely explain themselves. Like the trial. Accused, without a crime. The system functions, but its meaning remains unclear. Power exists, but it has no visible face, like the castle. Authority is there, but never quite reachable. And over time, this begins to feel normal. There was a time when silence carried weight, when darkness provoked something deeper than discomfort, when the world was not just seen, but felt. Now, everything is visible, yet very little is experienced. So again, why not a chair? Why not a table? Why not anything else? Because a chair cannot suffer. A table cannot feel humiliation. A cockroach can. And more importantly, it continues. The cockroach does not evolve much. It adapts just enough to survive. No transformation, no transcendence, just continuation. And that is where the discomfort begins. Not because humans are insects, but because certain patterns of modern life begin to resemble this. Maintenance over meaning, routine over reflection, endurance over understanding. That is why the cockroach unsettles us. Not simply because it is unpleasant, but because it reflects a condition we rarely name. Kafka understood something precise. Modern joy is often mechanical. It arrives, it fades, and it leaves little behind. What remains is repetition, routine, endurance. In a hunger artist, suffering becomes identity. Not because it is noble, but because it is continuous, because it does not disappear. And here I am, in this body, not fully gone, not fully present, just continuing. Kafka did not choose the cockroach randomly. He chose the one form that could carry both awareness and reduction. A creature that survives, even when meaning does not. Perhaps that is what makes this transformation unsettling. Not the insect itself, but the possibility that such a condition does not feel entirely foreign.